Hi, and welcome to the AWS Ambassador channel. We have today Vilas Katte, Senior Technology Architect at Infosys. Hi, Vilas. How are you, man?
Hey Nestor, thanks for having me.
No, it's my pleasure. Please tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, sure. Myself Vilas. I'm working as senior technology architect in Infosys Cloud Unit. I'm fully certified AWS Ambassador. I'm currently holding 12 AWS certification, and I'm trained in generative AI technology as well. Also, regarding my education background, I have done MTech in computer science from Premier Institute, IIT Bombay, India. I have 17 plus years of industry experience working in cloud technology like AWS. I mainly work on cloud delivery, pre-sales, and practice level activities in Infosys Cloud Nestor.
Mhm. Awesome, Vilas. And quick question: what was your motivation to join to the program?
Yeah, I got motivated to join AWS Ambassador Program because it has a unique advantage. The AWS Ambassador is a community of highly qualified employees where we get a chance to connect with that community for AWS solution, architecture, new offering, any help needed for AWS project. Also, in this program, we get some of the incentives like AWS credits, AWS Ambassador events, Ambassador swag. So all these motivated me to join Ambassador program.
That's great. I think that is a really common thing across all our AWS Ambassador guys. Can you share details about the typical activities or tasks that you do in a day within your role?
Okay. Regarding a typical day with the role of senior technology architect at Infosys as a AWS ambassador, I mainly work on three areas. One is
Mhm.
AWS delivery, second is AWS pre-sales, and third being AWS practice level activity. So I get up early morning and my day starts by checking emails and planning for my meeting I have to attend in a day. So in cloud AWS delivery, I'm working for Europe client where we are building AWS infrastructure for hosting production and non-production workloads. We are having daily calls and we are also providing managed services to clients' existing workload. Also, during my day, I work for AWS pre-sales opportunities, which are registered on APN portal along with ACID. So, in proposal preparation stage, I need to identify the key ask of RFP, RFI, identify the technology methodology required, create a response plan, and I need to estimate project timelines as well, and I need to calculate the cloud hosting charges using AWS calculator. So these activity are involved, and in proposal submission stage, I need to ensure necessary sign-offs are there on estimate, prepare response document, prepare presentation files, and finally attend oral with the customer. So these are the activity I do as a part of pre-sales during my day. And finally, I work on AWS practice level activities as well, such as managing AWS SPP program activity and few other activity in practice related to AWS project. I have experience of almost managing 100 plus customer account, and I contribute to Infosys Cobalt asset as well. Infosys Cobalt is a set of services, solutions, and platform that help to accelerate the enterprise cloud journey. And I'm also trained in generative AI technology as a part of Infosys Topaz program. And Infosys Topaz is our AI first set of services, solutions, and platform using generative AI technology that we have launched. So this is a day at Infosys.
That's awesome. It's a lot. And one important thing or part of being an AWS ambassador is contributing to our community, right? I see, Vilas, that you have writing a blog related to FinOps on AWS.
Yeah.
Yeah, share a little bit of details about that. Imagine that because I know that there are some customers that they are struggling, maybe optimizing and reducing their cost in their environment. So what would be also your advice here? And if you can explain a little bit about this contribution.
Yeah, AWS offers multiple ways of cost saving for different resources. If a resource is not in use, then we can save cost by deleting, right sizing, or suspending. There are broadly four optimization methods. The first being discount. So AWS offer discount on total cost based on reserved instance purchases, saving plan purchases, with which we can minimize the total bill. Second method is deleting. So we can save the cost of unused resources by deleting them, like unused EBS, unused EC2 instances, unused Elastic IP. Third optimization method is right sizing. So instead of using fixed size of resource for long time, we can resize as per usage, and there we can save the cost. So by resizing AWS resource, we can save the cost for EC2 instance, EBS volume, etc. And we can right size EC2 to higher instance type or lower instance type as needed. And the fourth optimization method is suspending. So we can suspend a resource which are not in use for certain time period, like night time or weekend, which will save the cost. So, for example, there are some non-production application which we can turn off during night time when they are not in use. These are the various ways by which we can save the cost for customer environment. Nestor?
Yeah, Vilas, I think they are really good practices, and I would say all of our customers they should follow those specific activities to really keep optimize their environment, right? Um, in the program, we have the golden jacket recognition. I'm receiving a ton of questions about this. People they want to get it, but as you know, first thing is you have to be part of the program, and well, second thing is you need to get all the certifications. And I know that you have one. So tell us a little bit what it is and how it was your experience getting it.
Yeah, getting nominated to Golden Jacket is my favorite experience so far in AWS Ambassador Program. I have completed all the prerequisite for getting Golden Jacket, and as I said earlier, I am currently holding all 12 AWS certification along with AWS Ambassador status. Yeah, Nestor.
Awesome. Keep it up because also I know that you need to renew the certifications, and sometimes it's tough working with your busy daily activities. Good job there. Everything we know that is changing so fast. Also, our pace of innovation is insane and amazing at the same time, I would say. How do you stay up to date on the latest AWS features and services?
Yeah, I stay up to date to latest AWS features and services using various way. I have subscribed to AWS daily feature update via Amazon SNS, where I get daily, weekly emails update. Uh, I check for AWS news blog site as well, amazon.com/blog/AWS, where I get updates from the biggest and best new AWS offering. Also, I listen to official AWS podcast for latest news and trends from AWS. Also, I watch for AWS YouTube videos and read documentation as needed for my daily work. These are the various ways by which I keep myself updated on AWS.
That's awesome. I do similar things yeah, at the beginning of my day. So every day I start pretty in the same way. So keeping me always up to date is important to also provide good support to my customers and partners. Um, all right, now looking to the future, what are you most looking forward to in the future of the program as an ambassador?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to do multiple activity in future as an AWS ambassador, such as attend multiple AWS event for ambassador, which will give me opportunity to connect with various leaders from different geo region across the world. Also, I want to utilize the various benefits offered for AWS program, such as getting credits and getting certification voucher. And finally, I want to add multiple contribution in terms of blogs and APN customer opportunities. These are the various things I'm looking forward to do as AWS ambassador.
Awesome. And what advice would you give to someone interested in becoming an AWS ambassador?
I would advise if someone is an employee of AWS Partner, where they are driving their organization's AWS efficiency and they demonstrate thought leadership with AWS community through a public presentation, blogs, then they can apply to AWS Ambassador Program at amazon.com/partner/ambassador URL. And the employee will get benefit of AWS program such as getting reinvent pass, ambassador swag, etc.
Awesome. And my last common question, what is your favorite AWS series and why?
Yeah, there are many favorite AWS service for me, but if I have to choose one, then it will be AWS Bedrock for me for these days. The reason I like it because it is very easy to configure. It is easiest way to build and scale generative AI application with large language model and other foundation model. It has a broad choice of foundation models as well, and we can customize foundation model based on organization data. It has enterprise level security and privacy as well. And Bedrock provides large language models by which we can perform various tasks such as text generation, summarization, question answering, chatbot, text to image, code generation. These are the various tasks we can perform using AWS Bedrock. That's why I like it.
That's awesome. So, all right, Vilas, I really enjoyed this opportunity to talk to you. I appreciate your time and thank you very much. Take care, buddy.
Yeah, thanks, Nestor. It was a great experience.